Hi friends, so I am today recording a video to explain what a student can do for their CA final May 25 exams. Yesterday results have come. First of all, congratulations to all those who have cleared their exams. Even in Bharadwaj Institute, we have got around 100 chartered accountants on 50 AFM exemptions. So everything has gone really well, but unfortunately, looking at ICI results, which are little lesser than what happened in the past attempt, uh, there are a lot of students who could not make it. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about those students who could not make it. What could be their preparation plan in general for your exams and specifically for my subject, which is AFM, because I have been getting a lot of messages on what can be done by students who could not make it. So here I will quickly discuss maybe in 10 minutes of time as to what you can do. You can take a break of a day or two because it is time for you to take a little bit of a break. Good part is results have come earlier than the normal timeline. So I we do have decent amount of time before your exams. So take a day or two's break. First decide whether it is one group or two groups. I think one of the most common confusion with many students is, should I do one group or two groups? It all depends on your preparation level, all depends on your confidence level, and how closer were you to clear in the latest attempt. So in case you are way off in clearing the group, you've written one group and you're way off, or you've written both the groups and you're way off, then you may have to reassess and see whether writing one group could be beneficial, or you are confident enough to complete both the groups. So first you decide whether it is one group or two groups. Once you have decided that, uh, next ideal thing you should try to do is complete all your subject preparation, complete all preparation basically means understanding what is there in the subject, watching your video classes in case you have gone for video classes, or completing your face to face classes, recorded classes, whatever it is, complete all preparation by maybe Feb month, and after that you can have for revision Feb. In case you're not able to do it by Feb, then even you can go on till March month, assuming it's only one group, complete all your preparation. The last month ideally should be for revision, writing mock test, giving that final touch. So that is what you should ideally do in the last 1 month. So complete everything by your March month, so that you are having adequate amount of time. I used to say that three revisions are needed. Three revisions possible, not possible, you will have to see. But ideal preparation strategies: first revision 5 days per subject, second revision is 3 days per subject, and then 2 days per subject. This is how you should ideally do. First revision 5 days, and my second revision should happen in 3 days per subject, and third revision should happen in 2 days per subject. 2 days per subject. If you can maintain this and complete your preparation, I think you'll be very much confident, because many a times what students are not very clear is how will they revise the entire subject in 1.5 days before exam. That's the main worry point. The worry point is completing vast syllabus, huge syllabus, in just how many days? 1.5 days. How can you do that? That clarity is not there with many students, and that is where I said three stages of revision. If you can do this, complete your preparation well. Writing mock test is beneficial. Time is not permitting. I'm not going to push you now for mock test, because many students in the past have found it difficult. They do not commit fully to mock tests. They are not committing themselves fully because of time constraints. Writing is really beneficial, but all depends on how much time available at your end. At least complete three stages of revision. So coming specific, so this is on a overall basis. Overall basis, what you need to do, you should decide whether it is one group or two group. Some of you could be confused at this point of time. Please decide that in another 2 days time, max by December 31st. Complete all your preparation by March month. Solid 3 months you have. In the 3 month time, you should be in a position to complete preparation of three subjects or five subjects. You do not have a separate preparation for your the paper on IBS, but unfortunately IBS turned out to be extremely tough, so it may need some preparation. But still it's either three subjects or five subjects, and if you're writing group 2 it's only two subjects. So you decide that. Once you have decided that, complete one time full preparation. Complete one time full preparation. Full preparation would basically mean whichever faculty you have taken classes, complete their classes. In case you have not taken any classes, complete ICI module to the extent possible, and then do first revision, second revision, and third revision. This is your journey till April 30. The journey till April 30 is very simple. Complete everything by March 30, and first revision, second revision, and third revision. Coming to my subject, AFM. What should I do? See, if you are a first time learner, a sincere request is, do not get into any exam oriented classes. See, my exam oriented classes are also there, but if you're a first time preparation guy, if you're doing preparation for the first time, at least do a full fledged preparation if possible. Time constraint is there, fast track classes are there, exam oriented batches are there. You can just go through that. So first time preparation, if you have completed, then what you need to do, assuming you wrote your exam, you could not clear, students have messaged me, should I buy the classes again? No, please don't get my classes or any other faculty classes. I just want you to complete only one thing: AFM revision playlist. AFM revision playlist, I think around 25 hours, exhaustive. AFM is covered in an exhaustive manner. Many students, be it the last attempt or this attempt, have told me that these the concept videos which have been uploaded, it's only the concepts which are discussed, have been very, very useful. In fact, if I just go to my channel and show you the playlist, if you can just do this playlist alone, I think will be very, very useful. AFM concept revision, 10 videos are there. If you can just see these 10 videos starting from mutual funds, and you have different videos which are there, if you can just complete this 25 hours of solid preparation, in every video, the description will tell you extra questions which you need to cover. So it has extra question to be covered in last day post completion of all concepts. So every chapter I have marked a set of questions. They are concept related questions. Students keep asking, will the question change? No, I'm not doing any kind of an ABC analysis here. I'm telling you a concept preparation. I'm telling you a concept preparation. So just cover these extra questions, and this, if I ask an extra question solving everything all put together, if you give 100 hours for AFM, 100 hours for AFM, you should be done in a smooth manner. Again, I'm repeating, no need to buy any classes. In case you are not able to solve on your own, then you can look at any exam oriented batch, be it mine or any other faculty you are comfortable. That's your wish. Second, look at theory videos or theory material or theory videos. If you're comfortable with metal, go through the metal. Otherwise do the theory videos. So AFM theory is little critical, so complete that as well. All put together, if you are a student who have already completed AFM, 100 hours is what I expect you to spend. 100 hours is what I expect you to spend. That's the maximum where you have a revision playlist. Then you will solve sums on your own, and then you will watch the theory videos or complete the theory material. My entire concept book, question bank, theory material, the soft copy is available. The soft copy is available. You guys can access them. I will share the link of it. I have shared everything. I have shared everything. So you will find it easy to do this. I'll show you. This is my CA final AFM playlist, where CA final AFM material MTP, RTP, SA. That is ICI, MTP, RTP suggested answers. I have redrafted in my format, and my material is there. First edition material and second edition material. As of now, second edition material is what is there in the market. So you can print it if you want, or you can watch the you can use the soft copy, or you can buy the material from our. That's all your wish. But my material is fully comprehensive material, covers everything. It is going to cover everything. All your ICI material questions are covered. So use the soft copy material. Use the soft copy material. Once you are done with this kind of takes care of the preparation. That is, don't buy classes, look at revision playlist, look at theory videos, look at theory material, use the soft copy material. Once you do this, this is sufficient. In case you are not able to do the preparation on your own, then you can buy exam oriented batch. Also, if you are a repeat learner, I have also released 1 month validity courses, so that it can help you in completing, because you will have that mental pressure of completing in month, and it is also slightly better from a fee point of view. So you can also use 1 month videos if you want, 1 month classes in case you want. Otherwise, everything is available in public domain. So what I want you to do for AFM is AFM revision playlist, 25 hours. It has marked some 150 questions, 100 to 150 questions. I don't remember the exact number, but every chapter I have marked the question. Complete those questions and pay lots and lots of attention on my concept material. I think I keep telling this, concept material, the most important material of mine, is the most important. In case you do not have this, please print it or buy it. Please print it or buy it. Concept material will be very, very critical. Many students have got benefited out of the concept material because beautiful MCQs I have drafted. I think I'm very, very confident about that material. So use the concept material a lot. Use the concept material with the concept videos. Concept material with the concept videos would be a full-fledged preparation. Would be a full-fledged preparation for you. You would be able to answer any type of question in exam, unless it's an extremely challenging. If it's an extremely challenging, even if you do more number of questions, nothing is going to happen. So let's not worry about things which are beyond our control. Things which are in our control, is this. Now, can I do some selective preparation? Can I give importance to some chapters, less importance to some chapter? Ideally, I don't believe in that, but still, in case you want, the playlist has been arranged in that order only. The playlist has been arranged in the order of the importance of preparation, starting with mutual funds is the first video. Then I have mergers and acquisition. Then I have the next chapter is business valuation. So in that order, I have done portfolio management. This order you can follow. Forex and derivatives have become tougher for many students, but okay, let's not worry about forex and derivatives. It will become very simple. It will become very simple. So this is my advice to you guys at this point of time, because I've been getting messages, and I think there is a little bit of a fear with few students. Failure can be there, guys. Failure can be there. It is not failure. It is basically unsuccessful, and we are moving towards success in the next attempt. Even in the last attempt, some of my students could not make it, but they gave their best. They prepared really well, and they are able to make it in the latest attempt. They are able to make it in the latest attempt, and there are students who could clear it in the first attempt and all. So let's not discuss whether first attempt is okay, multiple attempts. That's not our worry. At the end, I just want that qualification, chartered accountant qualification, and I am very confident. I'm very confident. Whoever is watching this video would become a chartered accountant in the coming attempt. You will become a chartered accountant in the coming attempt. You can message me in case you need any guidance from my side. Send me a message so that I can assist you with anything which can be of use to you. Thank you, friends.